So I've had a bit of oil weeping past the seals here, and I know when I did the fork legs, I'm on my second fork leg and there was a little bit of play. And there's my bodge to keep the oil away. And what I've managed, got yet another fork leg, which appears to be better still inside. A pair of legs of Arthur in the club. And I'm hoping if I put this on my new stanchions there'll be very little play, and then I can paint this one up the same and install it with new seals and put this in. But it just means a little bit of disassembly to do that. I'm just going to get oily fingers. I forgot to put my gloves on. Very clean oil, because I just done that, and then this card's a bit sprayy. Should just pull off. And I wonder whether I've torn the seals putting them on the leg. Don't know if you can see that just in there, very torn seal on the lower one, and the upper one, it's not focusing, doesn't look too bad, but a little bit of rust where the spring clip has been. There's some rust gone through to that. So, I think this was the better of the two original legs, but I'll have to check my records. And if I put it on, see there's quite a bit of play there. Even if I go further up. Right, replacement one from the club. Can't work out, that feels better, I think. Click, 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 click. And then just to check again. Oh yeah, that's quite a bit different. A lot less, about half the movement, if not a third. So we'll go with these. We just need to paint these up and get them ready for installation. So number 3 fork leg to go on the right hand leg. Paint stripped, rub down, etch primer, black coat, and then lacquer. So at least as good as Paoli, I don't know how you pronounce it, Paoli used to do it. Not quite as nice as the one I've got on there. Although a different printer now. I've got a Canon instead of a Brother, only a cheap one, but it seemed to print the sticker out blacker rather than grey. Unfortunately it's got a little bit scratched where I put it on, and not quite lined up. And then I just had these 3D printed rubber parts to mask the holes where I didn't want the spray paint to go in. bearings back in before I put them on the forks. I want to find a tube so that when I slide them on, they'll get over the I'll explain. So I've read in the forum it's quite difficult to do, but what I thought I'd do is try and fill up from the, let's just raise it up, from the top of the fork leg. There's a spring, sorry, grub screw, spring and ball bearing that just releases air out of the system in case it gets pressurized. Taken the grub screw out, and then I've just used this, it's not going to focus, is it? M5 screw on the end of a magnet to get the spring and, come on, to get the spring and the ball bearing out. And then we'll see if we can get a tube in there and slowly fill it up with oil. So a little bit fiddly, but a syringe and a tube down the top of the fork leg to pump in the oil. Probably got about 150 cc's around the 160, but that will do. And then we have locked into place the new right hand fork leg with considerably less play than the old one. And as I said, the sticker looking a little bit darker and a little bit better, even if it has got scratches, but I suppose that just ages it, doesn't it? And it'll be interesting to see what it's like on the road. Don't know if you'll hear this because I'm on the crash helmet. We've just been to a run to Brentwood and back, so it's about half an hour's run, and the replacement fork leg is fitted, and as you can see from the stanchions, dry as a bone. Brilliant.